Hello everybody and welcome back to LELB Society. This is Dr. Hariri and I'm the creator and founder of LELB Society, and this time I'm with another video, LELB Society Review in 2023-2022 Major Achievements and Success Journal. And here is the featured image of this article from which I'm making this video. And also you can see the staggering statistics, and some of our members and students requested our review in the year 2022, and we accepted their request, and actually with open arms. So I'm here just presenting or making this presentation or video tutorial, or it's not a tutorial, just a presentation focusing on the main achievements that we made in the year 2022. So as you can see here, the statistics are really great. Nearly 4,100 posts and lessons in Farsi and English, and also nearly 5,200 comments, and actually 13, because we have added another 13 forums, and nearly 5 at this time. Actually it is above or behind 500 replies and 106 pages, over 100 users, because actually it has increased at this time, and actually 112 topics in our forums and 128 topic tags. And here is the table of contents. And okay, so as you can remember, this is so typical of our videos to just focus on the highlighted points, to just give this presentation very succinctly or briefly. LELB Society Review in 2022. As a matter of fact, 2022 was an extremely productive year for us, because if you just pay attention to the featured image on top of this actually article, you can see how productive we have been. And that photo actually is a screenshot taken from the dashboard area of our WordPress website. So it is completely authentic. It's authentic. And so our English and Persian students can access nearly 4,100 English and Persian lessons with videos, podcasts, great comment box UI or user interface, and forums for constant support. And also but I should also say that our lessons and posts are only accessible to our registered members and students. This is not, they are not open to all people or visitors. And also it includes the 5,200 comments that are attributed to those 4,200 English lessons and also Persian lessons. Our common forums and discussion boards played a significant role to account for flipped learning and asynchronous learning, particularly through our chief activity, that is Roundtable. And also I'm going to just give you the link to this article in the description area, so that you can also study that and read it on your own. LELB Society Review on YouTube. So you should know that LELB Society is not just limited to this website, LELB.net. We are also active in our social media accounts. So LELB Society YouTube channel, with approximately 3,300 or 3,300 subscribers all around the globe at the time of publishing this article, that is January of 2023. And we have made and published over 900 video tutorials in both English and Farsi. And because flipped learning is one of the let's say basic parts of LELB Society and our curriculum, actually, we use those 900 videos in English and Farsi, and we embed them in our English and Farsi lessons to just provide our students with tutorials, which is also, as I said, one of the indispensable parts of or building blocks of flipped learning. Asynchronous learning, our main priority. In 2022, we explicitly announced that LELB Society would be giving high priority to asynchronous learning compared to synchronous learning in live classes. And this is because of the fact that we didn't have enough time to just accommodate all the demands from our students actually to have live classes. Our time is limited and our demand is actually is on the rise. Our English and Persian students can only pay for monthly subscription or membership at the LELB Society instead of paying for countless online classes. So it is more cost effective to our students actually to opt for asynchronous learning compared to synchronous learning. Asynchronous learning is offered to our new students on free trial. It means that our new students can try this site membership free before official registration. Our registered members and students can constantly communicate with their teachers and classmates through exchanging text and voice comments. In other words, practicing writing and speaking in both English and Farsi is quite possible without any time limit through asynchronous learning. So this is more beneficial to our students and also to us as educators. The other different thing that we experienced in the year 2022 was a spike or an increase in SEO, search engine optimization. As you know, LELB Society is a membership website, and all of our posts, that is approximately 4,100 English and Persian lessons with videos, are only accessible to our registered members. Okay, this acts as a double-edged sword because the crawlers of search engines cannot crawl and index restricted content on the internet, and they will give us some, particularly Google can give us penalty for just restricting all the content on the posts. Therefore, I decided to compensate for that. We mindfully added more free content in the form of WordPress post content type of pages. So in the form of pages, not posts. And Dr. Mohammad Hussein Haririas, that is me, made dozens of videos from the articles and pages and published them in LELB Society's YouTube channel. Something that you are watching right now actually is the video version of one of those articles. Installing forums at LELB Society. This is another major changes that actually we made in the previous year. Installing and using forums or discussion boards with the help of the WordPress plugin bbPress, actually, which is the most standard forum functionality on WordPress. Even WordPress.org uses bbPress. All visitors of LELB Society actually can review and access the forums, unlike posts or lessons. However, they need to be registered members to be able to leave comments and participate actively in the forums. All right, portfolio assessment was another major, let's say, changes that we went through in this year. And if you don't know what portfolio assessment is, you can just visit this website, this page in the description area with the link, and you can access all the links to it, including portfolio assessment. But in a nutshell, I can say that all members' assignments and completed tasks are recorded in their profile as a testimony to their educational progress in our curriculum. And also we have created over 110 topics with over 140 topic tags. All these topics have been answered in depth. It means that you cannot find one topic which is empty, that is actually it has not been answered yet. So in our 13 forums so far, there have been approximately 500, and at this time more than 500 or over 500 replies, which is another testament to our active and responsive online community. All right, our English and Persian students in 2022. The majority of our students in 2022 happened to be subscribers who learned and practiced English and Persian asynchronously. That is actually the selected asynchronous learning over synchronous learning. And also, unlike previous years, in 2022, the majority of our students and members were adult learners. This is partly because of our shift of emphasis on asynchronous learning, which is more welcomed by adult learners, particularly adult Persian learners. So if you just search on Google, search this query, آموزش زبان فارسی برای بزرگسالان and آموزش زبان فارسی, it means learn Persian for adults, particularly in Farsi, you will see that we are on the top of the page results. Okay, and you should also remember that LELB Society is getting better and better every day. Therefore, the staggering statistics mentioned in this article are not fixed at all, and they improve on a daily basis. Yeah, and that is the beauty of that. You know, I'm always excited and impressed by, let's say, our improvement that is perceived almost every day. And we do our best to make it even better and better. Getting better and better is one of my principles in life based on cumulative effect. And I really hope that our students and members have the same experience, that actually, for example, they are making improvement on a daily basis at LELB Society. Thank you so much. And remember, you can, I really encourage you to just click on the links in the description area to study this article and also some other related content. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye, everybody.